What's going on, everybody? 1 2 1 2. I'm driving out in the desert for the week and I'll watch songs. Yeah, I heard that, brother. Making some dirt bike race tracks. That's pretty badass. Give me 1 2 1 2. Everything sounds good. If the music's too loud, I'll turn it down. But we're gonna be bopping tonight, guys. We're not listening to no lo-fi tonight. We are dipping in the red, but we're gonna have a good time. Last live stream, that's what we were that's what we were seeing. All the coins we looked at, man, we're calling for a dip. So I don't know why you guys are surprised. It's normal, perfectly normal correction. Nothing to be worried about. Yo, we got Ken Fitness in here. He's here for the knowledge. We got Rising Sun. We got Good Evening Mike. We got Hello Labs updated dip hard. Oh no, I don't know that. Never mind. He has some scribbles next to his name. Man Solo, Rigoberto, welcome. And then David. Is this who I think it is? I don't know, is it? Mavia, welcome Mavia. Baby Bonk to the moon, man. They were on Crypto Banter today. They were on Crypto Banter. Tomorrow Crypto Banter is sponsored by Baby Bonk. Tomorrow all the videos tomorrow from Crypto Banter are sponsored by Baby Bonk. So that's crazy. Yo, what up, Heave Goldway? Welcome. We got Bob in the house. What's going on, everybody? Got a pretty good turnout. We got Double D in here. Can't have fun without some Double D, right? Can't believe I said that. How's everyone's Friday going? Looks like we got a pretty good turnout in here. Yo, Robert, what's going on, brother? What's going on, brother? What's going on? Great, guys. So yeah, we're seeing a retracement of BTC. Perfectly normal, nothing to worry about. Kind of expected. You know, the MACD was way overbought. Indicators were super hot. It's just a normal pullback. I mean, we're sitting at 66 right now. Sitting at 66 right now. The next main support area is at around 64. So we're gonna be keeping an eye on 64 for BTC. I really don't care what BTC is doing, man. I just care about my altcoins. Let's be real here. Who's gonna get rich off BTC? Only the millionaires. We're not here to talk about BTC. We're here for those altcoins. Altcoins and meme coins. That's where we're gonna get rich off of, right? That's where we're gonna get the FU money, is those altcoins. Everybody enjoying it? Hey man, it's just another opportunity to pick some more up before we go parabolic, brother. Welcome, Keyboard Warrior. Welcome. We got Hayden Mayer in the house. Welcome. Yeah, man. Baby Bonk. Yeah, Baby Bonk was on Crypto Banter today, and they're sponsoring the entire channel tomorrow. So, and they're giving away a Lambo. Apparently, they're giving away a Lambo. Wow, if that's not a bottom, I don't know what is. Yo, it broke out of its downtrend. GG. Look at this. We've been bearish on the MACD since the 12th. Yeah, the 12th isn't that long ago, but look, since the 12th, we've been bearish. We're just about ready to cross over bullish. If Baby Bonk gets above that 618 right there at 8559, we're going straight up. We're gonna go straight up, man. Yeah, man, Baby Bonk's looking solid AF, man. We definitely showed a bottom there. Even on the day chart, look at that nice bottom on the day chart right there. The crazy part is it's not even respecting the fibs. Oh, never mind, it is. If you drop to the bottom, it bounced up to 0.5. Currently get rejected off the 618. We get over the 618, it's to infinity and beyond. So I hope you guys have your bag packed because we're about ready to go to the effing moon. Let's go. Let's go. 32.5 million. We're up 13. If we're up 13, what's Baby Pepe up? Oh no, Baby Pepe is down 10% today. Baby Pepe is down 10%, boys. That's not good for daddy. I was gonna say daddy trading crypto's bags, but it is what it is. Once they get to 5 million market cap, they're listing on MEXC, which I think listing on Mexi is bearish, but other people think it's bullish. I mean, we technically broke out. We're just riding that prior resistance flip support. Just a matter of patience, patience, patience. At least we're above the 382. We just need to break above that 0.5 then the 618. Yo, we got Hayden Meyer kicking off the live stream with a $10 super chat. Yo, brother, love all your videos. I'm super heavy and spelled and waiting on your next video. What are your current thoughts on it? Well, let's take a look at Spell. First things first, I think Spell's going to absolutely rip this bull run. From the last video, I think we charted it on there because I think we're not down. We're not down that much compared to a lot of other coins. Like we're down 96.2%. Yeah, that's absolutely insane at 0.3. But I think leading into this bull run, we're only at $187 million. I think we have a very good chance at getting up to that 3-cent range. And I think I remember if I drew the TA correctly last time, from the all-time high to the low, this is the first time we've actually been bullish, like bullish. Yeah, you can draw one right there, but you can draw one right here. You can draw a bunch of different downtrends, but this is where you officially broke out on February 6th. So we've been technically bearish since December of 2021 on Spell. So this is the first time in multiple years we've had a trend reversal, and this was the all-time high back here, pretty much when the coin came out on Coinbase. So for Spell right now, we're in the start of the bullish. We're in the start of the bullishness. Oh my gosh, we're in the start of the bull run for Spell right now. We're just currently getting rejected at the 382 right here at approximately 001. Rightfully so. The 382, 618, 786 are very powerful resistance areas. So in the meantime for Spell, what we're seeing right now is a normal rejection. We got rejected off the 382. We're just pulling back a little bit. We're still maintaining our bullish momentum since the 11th of February, making higher highs and higher lows. The MACD is just losing its bearish, or is more bearish right now, losing this bullish momentum. The RSI is tailing back down and the WTX is tailing back down. So do I think Spell's going to crash here? I don't think Spell's going to crash. I think it's going to put in a higher low. We have a high, low, high, low, high, low. And I think we continue higher. I think Spell actually has a really good chance of overtaking that high because we've really never seen a full-blown bull run for Spell. We came in towards the hype of the bull run last bull run because this thing's only 2 years old. Or yeah, 2 years old if I'm not mistaken. If we go to max, yeah, see, this came out May 2021. So we've never seen a full-blown cycle on Spell, guys. We've never seen a full-blown cycle on Spell. So I think with this full-blown cycle, Spell can easily take out the high of 003. And normally if you draw a fib from the top to the bottom, the bull run top to the bear market bottom, you normally run between the 1, 2, 3, 6 and 618 area for your blow off top the next bull run. So I wouldn't be surprised that Spell went up to 20 cents. I know it's going to sound crazy, but if Spell went up to around that, 10, 15, 20 cents, once we get up to this 1, 2, 3, 6, we'll have to be a little bit more cautious. But I wouldn't be surprised at all if Spell did go up to that 1, 2, 3, 6 area and then flirted around in this no man's land area for the parabolic phase of the bull run. Because like I said, it's never seen a full-blown cycle before. So I'm going to say I'm bullish on Spell in this bull run, guys. We definitely started our run here with the bottom coming in on February 8th. So Spell's looking solid AF. Yo, River Hudson Bonk Father, let's talk Ever Earn, man. 2 whales sell their pre-sale wallets. So okay, we'll get into it. So not Baby Bonk. Ever Earn. Extremely bullish on this coin. It saw 2 very large corrections, and that was due to 2 pre-sale wallets selling their pre-sale. It happens with all pre-sales and everything like that. The great part is this is a reflection coin. So those very, very large sell orders, if you're a diamond hand holder, baby, you made money off of that. I got like 20 bucks in BNB off this sell, and I think I got like $35 off this sell just reflected back into my wallet because I was holding. So reflections are great for when the price is going down and when the price is going up. So this was just 2 whale pre-wallet or pre-sale wallets that sold. That's all it is. It's not getting rugged or anything like that. It's just 2 big whales are out, which is actually beneficial in the long run. It's actually beneficial in the long run if you think about it. So if you get 2 big whales out, and so what we're really looking for here for Ever Earn is breaking this current downtrend right now. we're currently working our way up to. You can see we have a lower high, lower high, lower high. After we had a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It's just a normal retracement. Pretty much every coin goes through this when it initially launches. So what we're going to be expecting here for EverEarn, we actually are above the 236 right now, is probably a back test of the 236 here around 5806. And then we're going to be coming up to battle the 382 downtrend resistance area. Once we get over that bad boy right there, we should start seeing some more bullish momentum. The great part is, if you're holding, you're making money either way. If this coin's retracing and going down, you're getting reflections. If people are buying, you're getting reflections. If people are selling, you're getting reflections off of it. So that's one of the things that makes me very, very bullish about this coin. So in the meantime, I do think we're going to see a slight pullback possibly down the 5.9, but we are gearing up to break out of this downtrend we've been in. I think we're going to be seeing something like this and then testing that downtrend 382 convergence area. And then if we get over that, we should start rallying to the upside. So I'm really not too worried about EverEarn. It's only been out for 14 days, but it's only been tradable for 4 days, I believe, because it was in pre-sale for an entire week. So for an entire week. So yeah, so it's only been tradable for about, I'd say 4 or 5 days now. But this was a great opportunity to buy. And you can see as soon as we dipped down there, there was a god candle that spawned right in back to the 236. Somebody got a massive sale right there. And remember, the more coins you own of this, the larger reflections you get. So River Hudson, so if you got in before that dip, man, you made some money. I'm guessing you said I made money off that 75% dip. It's a genius way to prevent rug pulls. People pay to join the party and pay you when they leave early. Exactly. That's what makes me so bullish about this, man. You get money when people buy and you get money when whales sell. It's the perfect play, you know, just diamond hand it. So yeah, tell your friends. I mean, seriously, once people find out about something like this, it's going to go to the moon. I swear. But right now, that's currently what I'm going to be what I'm thinking, man. I managed to get 1% of market cap when it, wow, you own 1%. GG, brother. GG. So yeah, if you just hold out the cycle, not financial advice, but if you hold the cycle, regardless if this thing goes to the moon or not, you're just going to constantly collect your BNB, because this thing gives 5% reflections of BNB every buy and sell. That's crazy. That's awesome, dude. I'm happy for you. Now you know why I was so bullish on this coin, man. Now you know why I was so bullish on this coin. Yeah, see the Twitter. So they active on their Twitter still. EverEarn, fair launch. Yeah, they posted 12 hours ago. Good morning, EverEarn fam. How are you guys liking those reflections? Even though we've retraced and early investors took profit, the sells provided diamond hand holders with large reflex of BNB. You hold, you earn 5% BNB off reflections on every buy, every sell. And look at this was the bottom. It hit the bottom and someone bought $4,000. That was you, River, wasn't it? You bought 4K of this when it hit the bottom, and now you're going to be a EverEarn whale raking in those reflections, dude. Raking in those reflections, brother. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, River Hudson again for a super chat. Also, Arrow and Bonk. So Arrow, I don't think much has changed since our last TA. Oh shoot, we're on the day. We're gonna go to the 4 hour. Not much has changed since our last. Ooh, something did. No, nothing changed. We're still riding on that horizontal support right there. We have not broken it yet, but we do not want to fall, like I mentioned the other day, below our prior high from March 1st. We fall below our prior high of March 1st, we're going to capitulate down to the 786 here at 50 cents. Now, yeah, we can wick below it, but we don't want to see a hard candle break below that area. If we see a hard candle break below, I'd say 65 cents, go hide in your bunker, because we're heading down to 50 cents from that point. The great part is on the 4 hour time frame, we're losing our bearish momentum. You can see here 4, 8, 12, 16. The last 16 hours, we've been losing our bearish momentum and heading more bullish. So that gives me hope that we are to be heading up to this downtrend resistance area and then breaking out and continuing up like we mentioned prior. RSI is reset. We're looking solid on the RSI. It's looking like it's starting to roll over here. It's looking like it's starting to roll over here and put in a higher low. So we're to play it by ear, man. If I was a gambling man, I'd say that the bottom's in for Arrow, and we'll be working our way back up to around 70. And if we get over 70, man, have that moon suit laundered off and ready to go, because that's going to be our breakout point if we get over 70. That's my thought on it. So Arrow, I think we're done with the retracement here. I think we break 70, we start going absolutely insane. Bonk, we've been keeping a close eye on our red box. Uh-oh, this is not the right did I delete my red box? Oh my gosh, I deleted my red box. Oh, that's not good. So bonk right now, yes, we broke out, but we're seeing a slight retracement right now. We have the MACD, which is bearish, but we actually had a pretty even day today. We weren't as bearish as the last other day. Oh, we actually just flipped lighter red if you just saw that. So we're actually losing our bearish momentum heading bullish. So in my personal opinion, the bottom might be in here for bonk, and we're going to be working our way back up to that high of around 3,500. RSI seems to be heading down a little bit more. We drew this before to show normal bounce areas off prior support areas for RSI, and on top of that we have the WTX retracing to the support area. So what I'm going to be expecting here for bonk, I'm actually just going to restart this chart, is high to low. I think the 618 is going to keep us alive, brother. I think we keep an eye on 2766 or whatever the 618 is, and I don't think we're going to fall below that on bonk. And then once we break above that 786 right here at 3,500, which has kept us below since March 6th, like that 786 has just suppressed us. Believe it or not, we really haven't done anything on bonk. We've just been consolidating for well over a month now, and consolidation is a very bullish thing. It means people are willing to accumulate that coin at the same price for a lengthy period of time, and eventually once you break out of that, you're going to go parabolic. So I think it's going to be happening sort of soon, guys. I think we're going to be heading back up to that 786 area at 3,500 to battle it out at the 786, and if we get above that, that's when we're going to start running to the moon. So I don't think bonk's breaking below the 618. I think we're gonna be heading to the 786, and we have a good opportunity at breaking that. But you know, last live stream we were talking about coins retracing, the coins were topping out. Now we're seeing that retracement here. So now the coins are officially retraced. What comes after that? Okay, we're all cooled off. Let's start going to the moon again. So that's kind of my prediction here. Bonk's is gonna go sideways until we break the 786. Man, I'm talking a lot already. I can tell him to be drinking a lot of water. Great part is I don't have a time frame tonight. We can be here all night long. We can be here all night long. Y'all, leads today, would love to see your opinion on ACH. ACH, man, I made some bank on ACH last bull run. The bad part is I got in, let's zoom out. I actually got in ACH the day before it got listed on Coinbase. So I rode this entire wave to the high. I rode it up to that 24 cents high, but then I rode it all the way back down to 9 cents before I got out. Don't be me, guys. Remember to take profit. Remember to take profit. But yeah, I rode it to 24, then I rode it all the way back down to 9. Yes, I did make profit, but you know, I lost over 50% on that retracement when I could have just sold. Just don't be greedy. Don't be a greedy SOB like me. So the downtrend has officially been broken. We broke out on the February 15th. So ACH is officially bullish since this bear market downtrend. Our next main resistance area for ACH is the 618 here at around 6.5. If we look where we're currently at here and we zoom in a little bit, the 0.5 is our current support area. Unfortunately, I do think we are going to be heading back down to that 0.5. The MACD did get a lighter candle today, which means the bullish momentum is weakening. The RSI topped out. We're flashing red here saying, hey, it might be a good time to take profit. And we haven't been this high since early February 2023. You know, so over a year. We haven't been this high in over a year on the RSI, you know. So take that into consideration. And then WTX had double sell signal. We're actually pretty high here as well without a sell signal. So I'd keep an eye on that WTX day chart sell signal. If we got that, that might be an optimal time to take some profit, not financial advice. But if we monitor this, the 0.5 is currently sitting at around 4.3. And then if we draw the short-term fib from the high to the low, what we're going to be looking for is the 786 support here at around 4 cents. So I think ACH is most likely going to be retracing to around 4 cents. And then once we get there, we have to monitor that support area closely because that support has to hold for us to continue our bullish momentum to the 1,236. I don't see a reason why it wouldn't hold, but I have to give you the worst case scenario. The worst case scenario is the 786 breaks. You're heading down to the 618 here at 3.2. I don't think we're heading down to the 3.2. I think we're heading down to the 786. to see a bounce, then head up to that 1,236. I think ACH does have a chance at possibly going up to $1 this bull run. I really do. I know a lot of people don't think that, but if you've been following ACH, I don't own any ACH anymore, but I keep a tab on them because they're the crypto to fiat gateway. They're partnered with Binance Pay, and they're partnered with a lot of big conglomerates for crypto to fiat gateway. And I think there's a very good chance of this coin going to $1, like this bull run. I really do. I mean, if we draw the fibs, I think there's actually a fib line at the dollar range, top to bottom. No, there's a fib line at the $2 range. So like I mentioned earlier in the live stream, you normally go between the 1,236 and 618 during your bull run from your high to your low, which brings you up to around that $1.25 area. So there's your hopium in ACH. We're in the first stages of our bull run here. I think we're going up to $1 plus. I just think in the short term, we're to be seeing a slight pullback. After that, we should be GG. So ACH not looking bad whatsoever. Yo, Robert McFay for $1.99. I think that's a pound. I don't know what a pound is, but yo, man, can you revisit RSR? Yes, we can. RSR. Have I charted this before? We'll find out, because I probably looked at it on, where did I chart this at? Man, we're listening to some banging music tonight. Everyone get your glow sticks out. We're having fun tonight. Oh, what did I chart this on, man? I don't see any USDT. Did I do it on KuCoin? There's no way I did it on KuCoin. No, I didn't. Oh boy, we'll use the Binance chart. Oh, there we go. We found it. Holy crap. I haven't charted this since September of 2022, bro. September 2022. Oh my goodness. Well, let's see what's happening. I mean, that's a couple years ago. First things first, we got our high to our low, our bull run top, bear market bottom. We look at our downtrend right here, our long-term downtrend we've broken out of. If we ignore the scam wick, the deviation right here, and we go off of this high here. Oh, let's make this valid real quick. I don't want to get lazy on my TA now. High here, high here, high here. We've actually broke out of that on October 2023, and we pretty much started our bull run October 2023, but we're in the second phase now, which is the fun phase where we start actually getting extremely bullish. So what I'm looking for RSR here, top to bottom, is breaking above the 382. The 382 is your next main resistance area at around 8 cents. You can see going all the way back to 2022, that 382 was a very powerful resistance area right here. So it's going to be it's still going to be a pretty powerful resistance area to get over. But once you get over that, you should be extremely bullish. So if you get over 8 cents, you're going to be extremely bullish. But as of right now, we got rejected off that with the wick, and we are looking slightly bearish. The MACD is losing this bullish momentum. The RSI starting to retrace. We flashed red, put in our lower high. And then we have the WTX printing 3 sell signals here, and we just put a lower high there. So what I'd be expecting here for RSR, if we draw from the high to the low, would probably be a retracing back down to that 786 at around 6 cents. So I'd be looking for something like this, 6 cents, and a rally up to the 1236, or absolute worst case scenario would be the 618 and then rally up. I hope you don't go down to the 618, because since February 4th, you've been putting in higher highs and higher lows, which is the step up pattern. Step up patterns are extremely bullish. So hopefully you don't break below 6 cents. 6 cents is a very, very important support area. But regardless, I think we're going to be heading down just a little bit to test those support areas out, because the indicators and the chart just looks a little too hot, in my personal opinion. So keep an eye on that slight retracement on RSR, which from where we're currently at is around a 10% retracement. And then if we draw from our high to the low, let's get some hopium up in this chart. If we draw from the high to the low, holy shoot, that bull run top could be anywhere between $1.75. I would say $1. What are we at right now? We're at 0.006. Let's see. RSR. RSR 349. We have all-time high of 11 cents. Yeah. So RSR, they obviously put more coins in circulation, because if you go to the max and the market cap, you can see the heavy deviation right here. But I think we have a very good chance of taking out that high at 10 cents and heading up to around, I would say the 1, 2, 3, 6 at around 35 cents this bull run. And then blow off top could be anywhere in between here. So I know that's a very, very big range, 33 cents to $1.76. Like, hey man, thanks. This coin can go anywhere from 33 cents to $1.36. If you've never experienced a parabolic bull run before, it's insane, man. It's absolutely insane, and price can just go to absolutely anywhere between this general area. Now, it's very unlikely it goes to the 1618 at $1.81. That's way too much hope in my personal opinion, but I would keep the 1, 2, 3, 6 at about 30 cents in range. So from where we're currently at, that'd be approximately another 49x, which is nothing in the crypto space, especially during the parabolic phase. So keep an eye on RSR. As of right now, I think we're going to be experiencing a pullback though. So keep an eye on the pullback. Overall, we're in the first stages of a bull run. We're looking super solid. Yo, River Hudson coming in clutch with the $50 super chat. I really appreciate that, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Not a chart request, but is it possible to rename a crypto once it hits the market? Imagine a meme coin with reflection. The benefits of meme marketing with anti-rug pull measures. Would love to see a Doge network or Solana for low. So the thing is, reflection coins are currently only available on Binance Smart Chain. They're just now coming out on Solana. They are TRC 2002 or something like that on Solana. It's really, really new technology on Solana. There's a lot of bugs with it. So currently the only exchange or only blockchains that I know that have reflections are Binance, and Solana's just now starting to dabble in it, but Binance has it down solid. So I mean, there could be, you know, a Doge. So you can't really get on Doge or Solana with a reflection coin. It's pretty much, reflection coins are pretty much a Binance only thing at this moment, and Solana's starting to flirt with the idea. So I understand what you're saying though, an anti-rug pull. That's the great thing. But you could make a meme coin on Binance Smart Chain, you know, called, you know, anti-rug pull Doge or whatever. And I don't know, but that's what I like so much about Everearn, man. That's what I like so much about Everearn. It's pretty much anti-rug pull. You know, the price went down, but guess what? You made money off of it. The price went down, you made money off of it. Crazy. Man, I really appreciate the super chat, brother. You're rich now. You have 1% of the total supply, so you're probably making bank on every buy and sell now. Probably making bank. Yeah, but I think currently, I don't even think Ethereum has reflection coins right now. I think it's only Binance Smart Chain, and then there's a very few on Solana. Like there's print on Solana's reflection token. There's oh, what is it? There print, and then there's only like 4. There's only like 3 or 4 coins on Solana that are reflection, and they're using the new technology that is very, very beta right now. Yo, we got Jared Adams with the $10 super chat. Appreciate it, brother. Simba and Sui, could you look at it again? You were right on the last video. It broke out. Community is working hard and donated their own tokens for airdrop. Dude, I'm telling you guys, Simba and Sui is actually a really good play. We kind of found it a little bit early. I'll go over it, and then I'll find it, then we'll go over it. Like Sui's gonna be huge this bro. Mark my words, write this on a sticky note, slap it on your girlfriend's forehead, slap it on your forehead, write it on the dust on your dash. Not Simba, but Sui has never seen a bull run before. And Sui's already at a multi-billion-dollar market cap. I love first cycle coins that have that much power back behind it. Like if you think it's high now at 2 point whatever billion dollars, what is it? Wait till you start seeing the actual bull run kick off, because this thing's only at $1.8 billion, has never seen a bull run before. He came out May 2023. Now there's new coins built upon it. You know, there's meme coins built upon this, and the Sui network is kind of undiscovered, uncharted territory right now. So what we're currently seeing here is uncharted territory. So there's really no top dog meme coin on Sui. Once Sui starts running, the meme coins on top of Sui are going to go absolutely nuts. I personally believe that, man. And Simba, I think, is one of the top meme coins on top of Sui. For real. I'm not just shilling that. I really do think Simba is one of the top meme coins on Sui. I've been in their community before. I've been in their Telegram and stuff like that. Very, very active Telegram. $99,000 market cap right now. Look at this chart right here. Believe it or not, I call this complete luck because I just totally threw in money randomly here. We actually did get in around a $10,000 market cap on this coin. We really did. We got in around a $10,000 market cap, which actually is right around this generally. I think we actually got in on this candle right here. I think this was our candle right here. We got in right here. But it was just a random buy. I was in the community for a while, just, you know, a fly on the wall, watching them, seeing what's going on. Cause you know, you don't want to FOMO into a meme coin right away. So it's kind of a fly on a wall on several different Sui meme coins to see which one I wanted to get in. But the Simba one was very, very active and very, very engaging with their community, which kind of attracted me to it. So then I tossed the money in, man, and GG, there she went. You get lucky every now and again. It doesn't happen often. It happens out of like 1 every 10 meme coins. But right now, yeah, Sui's looking pretty solid. If we look at the 4-hour chart, if we look at the MACD did briefly flip bearish, but then we instantly flipped back bullish again, which is, in my personal opinion, is calling a fake out here. A bearish fake out just happened on the MACD for Simba, which in the meantime means there's a good chance of reversal, which you kind of are seeing here. The reversal is kind of happening right now with a large engulfing candle. The great part is we're not overbought on the RSI either. We hit a double bottom right here on the RSI, so we have some room to run to the upside. And as you can see, Simba and Sui does like going to the high RSI. So from what I'm expecting here, if we actually draw from the wick to the bottom, would be a test of the 618. If Simba got over the 618 right here at 1047, we could start seeing a pretty big run to the upside, which is, yeah, see, we're growing right now, which is a pretty decent sized run. So 618 is currently only another 4% pump from where we're currently at. Yeah, we're down 17% today, but look at the chart. If you go to the day chart, yeah, it's a red candle, but then followed by a green candle, 17. So I'd be keeping an eye on that 618 there at around 1,000. It's pretty much around 1,000, 1,014. If we got over that 618, I think we have a good chance of putting in a higher high. The only thing is, I am going to give you a little bit of caution. We don't want to see it get rejected off that 618. We see it get rejected off the 618, that would be a lower high, and in turn we could start something like this. So the 618 would be a very, very powerful indicator. We get over that 618, we're GG. That is, like, if you guys do longs and shorts, you can't long or short this, but if you see it break above the 618, not financial advice, that might be an optimal time to get in, because if we got above that, that might give us the juice to start rallying higher on this and put in a new all-time high, because it just put in a new all-time high on the 14th yesterday. But I think this is one of the top Sui coins, honestly. There's not that many Sui coins right now. Once Sui runs, all those meme coins are going to run on top of it. But not financial advice. Do your own research on Sui and get into a Sui meme coin. Get into a Sui meme coin. Sui's never seen a bull run before. It's the first cycle it's ever seen one. It's going to go absolutely nuts, and the coins on top of it are to go absolutely nuts. Mark my words. So even if you don't get into Simba, look into Sui meme coins for sure. But I'm in it. My Sui meme coin is Simba, but you guys can have your own Sui meme coins. But I think this one's going to be the winner, or one of the winners. Probably be a couple winners. Well, that's pretty much my thought there on Simba. Yo, Road Dog in the house. What up, CC? Great setup on Aave and TRVL. Makes me want to smash. Yo, Road Dog in the house. If you guys haven't seen Road Dog's channel before, make sure you check him out. His crypto channel is actually pretty badass. I love watching it. It keeps you very entertained while showing you guys very valuable information on the market. So make sure you check out Road Dog Crypto's YouTube channel, guys. I enjoy watching it for sure. Simba to the moon. Yeah, I think Simba's gearing up to make another all-time high for sure. Yo, we got Chef in the house. What's up, fam? Been getting wrecked. Been getting wrecked. I'm just diamond handing, man. I'm just diamond handing. Can you look at Colville 1 month chart looking good? Colville? Colville 1 month chart. Yo. Oh, that's the day chart. 1 month chart. I mean, 1 month chart, I mean, I'm gonna be realistic with you. The one month chart is pretty much only useful for BTC and ETH. I'll break it right out there. The 1 month chart is only useful for BTC and Ethereum. Other than that, the 1 month chart, if you do T on it, is absolutely useless. I don't mean to be rude, but that's just my personal opinion. But if you look at the 1 month chart, the 1 month chart is looking good. But the crazy part is, if you just break that down a little bit, say you go to the 3-day, the 3-day chart's also looking good. You can see we definitely bottomed right here on October 2023, but we actually saw our breakout right here, January 2024, because we put it in a lower high, a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, and then we started blasting off. So we've been bearish on this coin since December of 2021. How crazy is that? Since December 2021, we have been bearish on this coin, and we finally broke out, you know, around the middle of February. So regardless, the 1 month chart, 3-day chart, the chart looks great. Top to bottom right here. Well, what happened was we ran into the 618. If you know anything about Fibonacci, the 618 is a very powerful support and resistance area. It's pretty much the main moon line. I call it the moon line. You break above the 618, you are officially bullish on the lifelong chart. So what happened there is we got rejected off that heavy resistance area at the 618. And the 0.5 fib area, the 0.5 fib area isn't a heavy support area. So I'm not surprised that that didn't hold us up. The 382, as you can see here, it's blue. That's a pretty big support area. So I'd be keeping a close eye on that 382 at around 2.5 cents. That 2.5 cents range looks pretty solid, but we're on the 3-day. But if we go to the 1 day, similar situation. I'd be keeping an eye on that 382 at around 2.5 cents. I think Colville's probably going back down to 2.5 cents and then rallying higher from that point on. So what we can currently see here, I've said this several times on my channel. If you're new here to listen up, turn on your listening ears, click. When you run parabolic like this, it's not sustainable. When you have a large run up like this, it's not sustainable. I repeat, I won't repeat it a third time, so make sure you heard that. You normally retrace back down to the 50% area of that pump. After this pump, you retrace back down to the 50% area. And that's exactly what we're doing right now. And why does that happen? Well, you have the people who bought in the bottom right here, correct? And then you run. Those people are making mad money. And then you have the people who bought the top, right? So people buy the top, and then the people at the bottom start taking profit. So what happens? The people at the bottom start taking profit, and the people at the top start seeing their coin drop heavily. So those people start panic selling. They sell, they take a loss. The chart starts going back down. Once we see this heavy correction right here, it starts lulling out, you know, slowly selling, until we get back down to the 50% area of that pump. Why does the 50% area of the pump matter? Because that's the area where the people that bought in right here are comfortable holding the coin. They're up a couple bucks, they're down a couple bucks. They're the ones that are comfortable holding it with a slight profit or slight loss. The people down here, they already took their profit. The people up here, they already G'd the parabolic pump. So what normally happens is you run up and you can expect a 50% pullback. I've used that for future trades over and over again. And I can't say it works every single time, but it works majority of the time enough that I use it for my future trades. So when I see a parabolic run like this, I'm like, oh baby, where's that bad boy gonna start topping out at? And then once I start seeing a red candle right here, I'm like, where's the 50% area of that? I get in a short, put my take profit around that 50% area, bada bing, bada boom, you make a couple bucks. Now, it doesn't work every single time, but I will admit it works majority of the time. It does work majority of the time. So that's exactly what's happening right here with Circus of Value. You're tracing back down to the 382. I think that 382 at 2.5 is going to hold, and then we can start working our way back up here and then eventually breaking out. So Koval definitely does not look bad. I hope that answers your question. That was like a 8-minute long speech. That was like an 8-minute long speech right there on Koval. Yo, Double D. What's up, Double D? Double D for $4.99 says Flare. What's up, brother? Flare token. Flare, that's that free airdrop that people got, right? From holding XRP. That's the free airdrop that people got for holding XRP. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Flare, we have the steep uptrend. We haven't broken it yet, man. We've been bullish since October 2023 for Flare. Crazy part is we haven't hit the support uptrend yet. MACD's bearish, but not that bearish. We're starting to roll over. We have the RSI starting to retrace. We have the WTX starting to retrace. There is a possibility of us wicking down to this uptrend support at around 3 cents. 3 cents, 325 area, which would maintain that uptrend support area for Flare. On top of that, if you draw the fib from the all-time high to the low, we actually just broke below the 786. So I wouldn't be surprised at all if Flare did wick back down to around 3.5-ish area, 3.5, 3.2, 3.5 area. But the chart looks pretty reset now, so I think that would be the final drop. I'd be keeping an eye on something like this and then running up to a higher high. There's not a lot of information on this chart out because not a lot of information on this coin out yet because we came out April 2023. So, I mean, even if you go up the 4-hour chart, it's showing the same thing. I mean, we actually got a buy signal right here on the 4-hour chart. We got a buy signal early back here, the 786, but we just broke below it. So what I'm currently seeing here is we are in the price gap. You can see how the price gap right here in the price volume cloud, how it just dies off. We're in the gap right here. I think we're just going to be dropping down to probably around 3.2, and that's where we'll see our bounce on Flare. But Flare is extremely bullish, guys. Extremely bullish. So keep an eye on 3.2, and I think that's going to be the reversal area for Flare. And then the next stop would be the 1.236 at about 8 cents. So Flare's looking solid. It's definitely in its bull run right now. Good stuff. Do you think Doge will hit at least $1.50 this bull run? I think Doge is going to hit $1.50, $2 easy. I think Doge is going to hit $1.50 to $2 easy. On top of that, okay, so this is probably gonna be like a 10-minute segment here because we're going to talk about Doge, we're going to talk about Doge Chain, and we're going to talk about Omnom and how all three of those are tied together and how 2 of those are tied into the Dogecoin chart. So we're going to start off with Doge. So gear up, guys, go grab a coffee or whatever because this might take a minute. So if we look at Dogecoin right now and we go to the 1-day chart, we are oh, I don't want this one. What the heck? I think I looked at it on Binance. Yes, there we go. So all we can see here in Dogecoin, we got rejected off the 0.5. Perfectly reasonable, perfectly expected. All I'm seeing here for Dogecoin right now is a retracement back down to the 382 at around 14 cents. Retracement to 14 cents, continue the higher high. What normally happens during a bull run is if you take it the all-time high to the all-time low, you normally run up to the 1.236 or a little bit higher in between this general area, which is around $2.50. I mean, the absolute hopium here is around $4.20. There actually is a fib up there. I don't think it'll actually hit that, but who knows, man? This bull run could be nuts. But you're saying $1.50? I think we can easily hit $1.50. $1.50 is just slightly over the 1.236 area. And if you actually look at the 3-day chart and we do fractals, I think I actually have fractals. Yeah, if you do fractals off the low to the high right here, you go boom, boom, and then you overlay this bad boy, you can kind of see the similarities. You can kind of see the similarities, which actually brings us above that 1.618 area. On top of that, if we go from here to here with the fib, if we go from this high all the way back to 2014, watch this. This is pretty cool. From 2014 high to low, look, if we drew our fib back here from at 2014 to the bottom of 2015, we went up to that 1.618 perfectly, and we topped out on January 18th for our bull run high, right? We topped out on January 18th, our bull run high at the 1.618. Now, if you take that bull run high and you draw a fib this way, look at what happened there. Our last bull run, we ran right up to the next 1.618 at 62 cents. So the entire lifespan of Doge, every bull run from the high to the low of the prior, we've ran to the 1618. So it's been correct 2 times or every single time so far. So if we take that at the current, if we take that respectively from where we're currently at, from the high to the low, that 1618 is actually at $4.20. How crazy is that? Now, I personally don't think that's going to get hit, but who knows? It's been correct the last 2 times. And then last couple of times, people thought Doge was nothing. You know, when we went up to 1 cent, people were like, oh my gosh, I can't believe Doge broke a penny. And then the thing went up to 82 cents. They're like, yeah, it's above a penny, man. It won't be good going over a penny. A penny is the top. It's going back down. It's going back down to 000 whatever. And then we shot up to $1. So watch, people are thinking it now. I mean, I wouldn't put it past it. I've seen some crazy ass shit in crypto, but I'm just pointing that out, that the 1618 has gotten hit every single time. And on top of that, if you're bullish on Dogecoin, you should definitely be bullish on Dogechain, because Dogechain follows Dogecoin perfectly. Dogechain provides utility for Dogecoin, if you didn't know that. So listen up, we have 55 people in the chat here, so there's probably some people who have never heard of Dogechain before. Dogechain is only $27 million market cap right now. If you look at their website, like we cover this in the bear market extensively. So Dogechain provides NFT games and DeFi for Dogecoin users. So Dogecoin, instead of just being a payment coin, this builds on top of Dogechain. It allows you to build NFTs. It allows you to build games. It allows you to build DeFi on top of Dogecoin. How crazy is that? So it makes Dogecoin more than just a payment. It makes it an actual useful chain that you can build upon. So this is currently the layer 2 for Dogecoin right now. So if we look at the chart of Dogechain right here on the day chart, I need to go to the day chart. If we look at it on the day chart here, and we actually overlay Dogecoin, DC, Doge. We actually overlay it. I think same price scale is the right one, right? No. We don't want that. We want, I think it's 1 second. Brain fart. There we go. Look at the similarities of these charts, ladies and gentlemen. The orange is Dogecoin. The red and green is Dogechain. Dogechain follows Dogecoin almost perfectly. So if you think Dogecoin is going to $1.50, Dogechain easily is going to be going up to 5 to 10 cents. Like, think about that. Dogecoin's easily going up to 5 to 10 cents if Dogechain's going up to 5 to 10 cents if Dogecoin's going to $1.50, because Dogechain is riding on top of Dogecoin. They're kind of married together. You know, this provides the utility for Dogecoin. Dogecoin's the powerhouse, you know, the name, the brand, the face. So I think not financial advice, I think Dogechain's the better return on investment, but Dogecoin, you know, is a definite less riskier play. And then if you want to get into some inception type shit, there's a meme coin on top of Dogechain. So it's Dogecoin, on top of Dogecoin's Dogechain, on top of Dogechain is Omnom. So it's like Inception, a dream on top of a dream on top of a dream. So we're in layer 3 right now. We're 3 layers deep right now. And then you go to Omnom. This coin is a coin on top of Dogechain on top of Omnom. So we have Dogecoin, which is orange right here, right? Dogecoin is the orange chart. Omnom is the red and yellow. Look at how close these coins resemble each other. Like, it's almost better than Dogechain. Like, Omnom is following Dogecoin almost better than Dogechain. How crazy is that? Almost perfectly. So if you're bullish on Dogecoin, how crazy would it be for Omnom to go absolutely parabolic? Like, absolutely parabolic and do like 1000x. Now, I might be talking a little bit of hopium right there, but look at Omnom right here. If we go to Omnom, oh my gosh, I need a drink of water. Omnom's currently down 27%, big deal. It's at $12 million market cap, but this coin has been running absolutely recently. We go to the last 3 months, look at straight up, absolutely straight up. We found, okay, I'm kind of going to be coping right now. I actually owned 10% of the supply of the coin at one point. During the bear market, this thing dipped down to a $100,000 market cap. Believe it or not, this dipped down to a $100,000 market cap. And we had a live stream. We're like, hey, we're diving deep in the crap coins today. We're gonna look at, and we found Omnom. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy some Omnom. So I actually put a pretty large amount in Omnom in the bear market. And I had 10% of the supply. And the first big pump, I G'd. The worst decision in my entire life, because imagine owning 10% and this thing went up to $12 million. I'd be gone. GG. But so I don't know where I was going with that, but rant over. So that's the Dogecoin, Dogechain, Omnom rant right there. Dogechain, Omnom, whatever rant right there. Oh boy. Hey, we got 59 bogeys in the chat. What's going on, everybody? We're just listening to some glow stick music and charting some coins tonight. So apparently Baby Bonk's going to the moon. Oh, not Baby Bonk, Baby Bonk. Yo, look at that. We broke out, boys. This thing's about ready to flip bullish and go parabolic. We're going to $50 million. Well, $50 million market cap was actually touched up here. If we break that high, the 1618 is the next stop. And Baby Bonk's going to be seeing something like this. Which isn't surprising, because if you actually drop from the low going back to May 2024, you had the low, low, low. Look at that. It actually hits the high, or pretty dang close to it. So from where we're currently at, that's approximately a... Yo, that's another 125%. It's a 2.25x. Yeah, man, this is the largest bearish momentum we've had on the MACD since the coin has ever been out. It's about ready to flip bullish. I am crazy to see. So they were on crypto banter. They were on crypto banter today, and they're sponsoring. They'll be the sponsor of crypto banter tomorrow. So Baby Bonks will be plastered everywhere on crypto banter's channel tomorrow. So there's nothing more bullish than that. On top of that, if you look at this, ITOA, and you go here, dashboard, they actually have a game out. Well, they have a free-to-play game. So they have an NFT game, and then they have this free-to-play game. I was top dog on this, but I think people have overtaken me. Yeah, so there's people have gotten some crazy scores. I'm right down here at 14,736. So Baby Bonk, look, you can pick your character, pick your weapon, start. And then it auto attacks for you. And then gradually throughout waves, you can level up, but I'm not very good at this. Yeah, I think this coin's going to easily hit $1 billion market cap. Yeah, so this is free to play. You don't have to own an NFT. This is just a community game for Baby Bonk. They have it posted on their Twitter if you guys want to play it, but I'm not going to be playing this game much on the live stream. I'm probably going to die here pretty soon. I just want to try to get past the first wave so you guys can see what happens. Oh. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm going to die on the first wave, man. I'm horrible at this type of stuff. Oh, I survived. So after the first wave, you actually can beef up your character. You can buy weapons and stuff for it. So you can see right here, I can buy a fried chicken, which developer loves this. You get +1 damage. You can buy a rifle, +1 damage. You can re-roll size 2 sandals. I'm a big guy, you know, +10 movement speed. Teardrop, it's not mine. It's from the tiers of other crypto rivals. +5 damage. Wow, +5 damage, +5 armor. I can't afford it, but then look, now I have a gun. I have a gun and a knife now, so you just can continue to play wave after wave, and every wave you survive, you can buy more stuff to help you survive. It's pretty cool. I mean, you don't get any crypto rewards from this. It's just a community game to have fun, you know. but still want to be on the top leaderboard. Oh, if I get hit one more time, I die, I swear. And then we'll get back to charting. Now I'm kind of engaged in this. And you guys are probably rooting for me to die, but we're gonna see how long we can go with one hit left to die. We even got some background music going. So right now, those things are FLOKI. So they have different meme coins that are attacking you. That's FLOKI. They have Myra, all that. So what do we have? 67. Do I want a pistol? No, I'll re-roll. Oh, I'm gonna buy another rifle. I'll buy a sword. I'll re-roll. Dude, this flamethrower is OP. Happy emoji. You're happy, +5. Movement speed +5. Critical chance. Wow. Look at his dog with hat. That one with the pink hat's dog with hat. They have Whiff on here. So FLOKI and Whiff are currently attacking me right now. Oh, there we go. I died. Game over. Then you enter your name. I'll put CC. Submit name. Then you go to your ranking. Yeah, there's some crazy people I can't imagine. But yeah, that's something cool that they have going for it too. Oh, okay. Wow, a lot of people chatting. What's going on? So what do we got? What do we got? So I actually have to take a bathroom break right now. I'm gonna be right back. Chat amongst yourselves. I'll probably be about like a minute. I'll be as fast as I can, okay? As fast as I can. Yo, baby, did you guys miss me? I feel much better. Oh, 43 people. We lost some people. They weren't patient. They're probably the ones that are going to get rug pulled in the bull run. So what do we got going on here? Lots of chats going on, man. I won't be able to read through them all, but I'm going to pick a couple, okay? We'll pick a couple. Obviously, members get priority on charting requests and super chats get priority, but we'll go through the chats. So Striker Heart says I'm long on BTC. We go into 420k. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah. If you get lucky on Doge 420, hell yeah. Hasky looking good. So Rising Sun says Hasky, dude. So Hasky is actually a coin on top of Hedera. It's a meme coin on top of Hedera. And I think out of all the chains, Hedera is like the most I'd say straightforward chain, like the most stern, like we are a chain that's doing this, you know. We don't bite in any of this meme coin stuff. But yeah, Hashkey's looking pretty dang solid. If we remove the drawings here, my only concern right now, is I don't want to see a triple top. I do not want to see a triple top. You do not want to see a 1 top, 2 top, 3 top, drop top. 1 top, 2 top, 3 top, drop top. We don't want to see that. So we need to break out here and put in a new all-time high. If not, a 3 top's actually extremely bearish. But the great part is we're not overbought right now. The MACD is bullish. The last 8 hours, actually, we've been pretty bullish right here. The RSI is at a good level. We put in a higher low starting to tail back up. And on top of this, if you look at the uptrend that's currently forming, we currently have an uptrend forming. So, I mean, we could see something like, oh shoot, what's happening? We could see something like this, high, low, high, low, high, low, and then a breakout. We just don't want to see a 3 top drop top. Otherwise, it's bad news bears. But I don't think that's going to happen. They actually are a very, very active community, man. I mean, if you would have bought in on the 6th of March, which wasn't that long ago, they actually went parabolic after that, man. 6th of March, they started going straight up. That's a 3.5x. That's the 6th of March. Insane. Congratulations to the Hashkey community, guys. That's awesome. So that's my current situation on Hashkey. It's looking pretty solid. I don't want to see a 3 top. As of now, we're holding the uptrend. We'll only see a 3 top if we break the uptrend, and I don't think that's going to happen. I think we'll probably come down to the 786 convergence here as support, then hopefully rally up to that 1618 right there and put in a higher high. Hopefully put in a higher high. ACH, yeah, we charted ACH a little bit earlier. Cheated, that's a new word I've learned these days. Yeah, well, cheated was around last bull run. No one used cheated. Cheated is an old word that was forgotten that's getting brought back to life. So you must be young. I'm guessing you're young. Life of Liam. I'm guessing you're young because back in the olden days of crypto, cheated was the word, and then last cycle cheated kind of faded out, and they're like, huh, cheated's for old people, and now cheated's back in the popular thing. So I'm guessing you came in this cycle or towards the middle of last cycle. Thoughts on Aerodrome Finance coin from Vise? We did Aerodrome Finance at the beginning. I think it was the second coin we charted. Doge at 250 billion market cap, buy a Tesla. Yeah, so I saw that. I saw that Elon Musk actually said that you'll be able to buy a Tesla with Doge. And believe it or not, so since we're in a bull right now, we can talk about the type of cars we're gonna get, right? My car, I'm not getting like a Lamborghini or a Porsche or a C7 or anything like that. I'm gonna get a blacked out Tesla truck with like black rims and all the bells and whistles. I'm gonna buy that MFR with Doge chain. I'm just gonna go in there with my wallet of Doge chain and be like, bam, give me a Tesla truck. I'm gonna buy that bad boy with some Doge chain, or not Doge chain, Dogecoin. That's the plan. That is the plan. So Vi says he's all in on Aerodrome. GG. Dave M. Cook says 1 month RSI marks macro top. Prod Bob C says I need FLOKI Hopium. FLOKI is going to break its all-time high absolutely easy. FLOKI's currently the top dog. So if you want to talk about top dogs right now, you know, during the bear market run, I don't want to look at that one. But during the bear market run, Bonk became the alpha dog, right? Bonk became the alpha dog, and all the other dog meme coins respected that. You know, you respect the alpha dog, and then all of a sudden FLOKI came along, and FLOKI's like, you know what, Bonk, I don't like the way you're running this pack. I think I can be a better alpha And so be it, man. It started going parabolic. So FLOKI is now the alpha dog out of the dog meme coins. And top to the bottom right here, we're almost at our all-time high. We are almost at our all-time high in FLOKI. Unfortunately, I think we're going to be experiencing a pullback. Day charts bearish, losing our bullish momentum rather quickly. We have the RSI, which is tailing down. WTX got a double top, double sell signal as well. So I do think FLOKI has found a local top. Probably going to be a pretty decent correction too. I know you don't want to hear 42%, but 42% is what I'm seeing here. You have your high here at the 786, got rejected, broke it, and now I can see a 786 retest before you head up like that. So that's currently what I'm seeing on FLOKI. I think FLOKI's probably heading up to the 1618 at 004 during the bull run top, which from where we're currently at is a 18x. So I think 15 to 18x on FLOKI is still doable for a bull run top. So there's your FLOKI hopium. There is your FLOKI hopium. I'll buy a Tesla once Doge goes to $1 and pay in Doge. Yeah, man, I'm gonna buy a black Tesla truck with black rims. I'm gonna tint the windows as black as I could possibly be, and I'm gonna buy all the accessories for it, all the bells and whistles. I'm gonna pay for everything in Dogecoin. I'm not one of those fancy people who wants a sports car or anything like that. I'm comfortable with a Tesla truck. I'll live in that bitch. I don't care. My wife probably wouldn't like that, but my wife probably wouldn't like that. So Hiva Goldway says, let's take a look at LRC. LRC. Oh, I feel a sneeze coming on. So if you hear me sneeze, I warned you. LRC's down 10% today at 48 cents, $609 million market cap with 671 million coins in circulation. No, with 1.2 billion coins in circulation with 1.3 billion max. Majority of the coins are in circulation, which is fantastic. It means they can't dilute the market on you by putting more coins in circulation. All-time high was 2 years ago at 375. We're down 87%. Loopring is available on pretty much all exchanges, right? Yeah, there's 15 different pages. So yeah, Loopring, you can buy it if you want it. So Loopring, we want to look at Loopring on, I want to find Binance USD. There we are, Binance USD for Loopring. So the top was November 2021. You had the steep downtrend. Wow, hang on. Look at the last time I charted it. Last time I charted it was February 2023. Said we're gonna hit the top of the expanding wedge and head back down. I was a little off. On the time frame, but I wasn't wrong. I'll chalk that as a win. A year later, I found a win. I'll take it. But we actually did break out of our bear market downtrend from the high to the low. We broke out actually on November 2023. We bottomed October 2023. Pretty much all coins bottomed in October 2023. And then we dropped from the high to the low right here. What we currently can see is our rejection off the 382. Yeah, we are currently rejected off the 382. Regardless of us candling over it, we didn't have a full body open and close above it. So that is our current area of resistance right now, is around 50 cents. 50 cents is our critical resistance area for LRC. If we look at the MACD is about ready to flip bearish. Not a lot of momentum going on here, but we are losing our bullish momentum on the MACD. RSI has a sharp deviation of the downside, and this is the first time we put in a lower low in a while. Not in an entire year, but since back here in February. So we haven't put in a lower low since February, and we just put one in. And we got a double sell signal on the WTX. Actually got a sell signal today, off the chart sell signal today. I think that's the high. Nope. I lie. We've gotten a couple higher than that before. But take that with a grain of salt, man. Every time we've gotten this, we've absolutely crashed after that. So for LRC, it does look like the top is in right now. And then if we draw the fib from the high to the low right here, high to the low, what I'd be expecting is a 786 possible drop to 46, but I think the drops will be a little bit nastier than that. We're going to be heading down to the 618 before reversal, which is around 40 cents. So for LRC, I think 40 cents retracement and 40 cents will be the bottom, and then we can start talking about some higher highs from that point on. So that's what we're currently looking for LRC. But overall, LRC is looking solid. I mean, you're actually bullish on LRC in the long term. Unless you break below this, unless you break below 35. If you break below 35, just go high in your bunker and come back 5 years later, because this thing's going to zero. But I don't think we're doing that. I think we're heading down to around 40. And that's even a bold statement, is 40, but something like that, and then we can start rallying higher. Yo, we got Life of Neom for MX20. MX20. I have no idea what that type of currency is, but I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Can you chart Quorum, please? Quorum. C-O-R-E-U-M. C-O-R-E-U-M. Oh, it's on Mex C. Okay. It's like, who's got their glow sticks ready? We're listening to some. We're listening to some of that type of music tonight. Oh, C-O-R-E-U-M. Oh man, we don't have the market. Hang on, I gotta go on CoinMarketCap. Oh, it's the Mexican peso. Hey, I didn't know that. It's good to know. Mexican peso. Okay. All right, so what do we have here is a market cap of 65 million, which is actually pretty good. Not bad at all. That's pretty early in the run. 384 million circulation on a 92. Wow, that's not a bad setup at all. We got 500 million max with 30. That one said 32 million in circulation. All-time high was 70 cents 2 years ago. We're only down 75% from that all-time high, which is actually pretty bullish. A lot of coins, surprisingly, are still down to the upper 80s to low 90% from their prior bull run highs. A lot of the price action for cryptocurrency comes in the very, very last month or two of the cycle. Remember that. I'll repeat it for the people in the back. A lot of the price action happens in the last 2 months of the bull run. So being down 75% from our all-time high is pretty good, especially heading into the bull run, which means you have a very, very good chance at taking out that all-time high. Now we're going to ignore the scam wick right here, because the all-time high was what, 70 cents? 70 cents is approximate. Wow, this says the all-time high was $1. But what we're currently experiencing right here, oh man, we gotta hang on. That chart looks like shit. We need to find a better one, dude. We need to find a better one. COR, there's on Poloniex, there's on Gate, maybe Gate.io has one. Yo, Gate.io to save the day. Gate.io to save the day. So what we're currently experiencing here for Quorum, we actually have not broken out of our bear market downtrend yet, surprisingly, even with us only being down 75%. So once you break out of this bear market downtrend, man, you are going to start moving. So that bear market downtrend convergence here is, I would say 25 cents. If you get over 25 cents, man, you better have that moon suit laundered off, because we're going to be heading to the moon. Top to the bottom right here on the fib channels, what we're currently experiencing is our first run up got rejected at the 618 at around 30 cents. And then we've been laddering down cents. You know, we've been putting in lower highs and lower lows cents. Eventually that's going to end. This is technically called a bull flag. Believe it or not, this is technically called a bull flag. So this is a bullish pattern. It's just a great time to DCA during this bull flag. What you normally do during a bull flag is every time it hits the bottom of the channel, you buy. It goes to the top. Every time it hits the bottom of the channel, you buy. Hits the bottom of the channel, you buy. Hits the top, nope. Hits the bottom of the channel, you buy. And then eventually you break out to the upside. So for Quorum right now, what we're currently experiencing here on the day chart, unfortunately, is most likely some more bearish momentum. Now, during the bull run, this thing, I don't know when this thing's going to run. It's going to run eventually. But as of right now, it's not going to run right now. We haven't broken out of our bear market downtrend yet. I'd be keeping an eye on this on the 382 right here at around 15 cents. But I do think that 382 is probably going to break. We're about ready to flip bearish on the MACD. The RSI is tailing down. The WTX is also tailing down. So if we remove all our indicators here and draw from the high to the low, I would be keeping a close eye on approximately, I would say 15 cents. I think we're gonna be heading down to 15 cents, and hopefully that's the reversal from this point, because it kind of does look like we have a double bottom right here. So I'd say 15, a possible reversal to the upside. Hopefully that's the bottom and gives us the juice to break out of this. Hopefully. Regardless though, I don't think this is a bad investment whatsoever, not financial advice. I think it's going to perform exceptionally well, and I think it's easily going to get over 70 cents. I think it's easily going to smash its all-time high. How high is it going to go? I have no idea, but being only down 75% before we go to the parabolic phase of the bull run, that's pretty much a guarantee breaking the all-time high. So from 17 cents to the all-time high, which is 70, that's approximately a 3x. A 3x in crypto, man, that's a drop in the bucket. So for him right now, we're still in the downtrend. Eventually we'll break it. Once we break it, man, we're gonna go to the moon. So might be a good time to just continue to DCA. Eventually you'll reap your reward. Yo, we got Kurt T for 10. I appreciate the 10, brother. Can you chart JASMY? Of course, man. I love me some JASMY. I'll never own JASMY, but I like charting JASMY. Let's just put it that way. Yo, our green box held. Our green box held. I don't know what I drew it for, but it held. 1 second. So JASMY right now is actually looking pretty good. We've been consolidating sideways for a while. Unfortunately, we did dip below the 2 cent range, which we did talk about the possibility of having down to 1.7, which is the 382. Yeah, shoot, which is a 382 area, which is why the bottom of that green box is drawn there. We wick to it. We haven't hard candle to it yet. So I would be keeping an eye on 1.7, but the bottom's going to be coming in soon, and then we're going to start rallying for JASMY. So I'd be keeping an eye on that bottom here for JASMY, and then eventually we're going to be heading to the 5 cents. The 5 cents, the next main resistance area, and the chart's looking pretty juiced up, dude. The chart's looking really juiced up. We're very, very close to the bottom of the slight retracement that we've been in since March 3rd. And once we get that bottom in, we're in the next leg up, which the next leg up top is going to be around 5 cents. I think JASMY's probably going to go to around 30 to 35 cents this bull run. I personally don't believe we're going to ever reach the all-time high of $4 and whatever it said. I'm not going to get into that. We could be here for a half an hour talking about JASMY and why it will never reach $4.79 ever again, but we're not going to do that. I've done that way too many other times. But as of right now, I think 1.7 will probably be the bottom. And then the next run up, obviously, we'll see a little bit of resistance at 3 cents, which is the 0.5, but inevitably you'll be up at the 1.618, man. So JASMY is almost at its bottom, dude. And then we're gonna be heading up to 5 cents. Looking solid. Looking solid. Robert DeVoe for 5 Canadian dollars. Thoughts on Monkey Soul? I like the name. Monkey. Woo, woo, woo. Got some monkey up in here. Oh, brother. That's a really new chart. I mean, you gave me a super chat, so I'll do my best, but new charts like this, TA normally doesn't work. So take what I say with a grain of salt, okay? Take what I say with a grain of salt. Monkey right now, first things first. This is normally, I'll go through my procedure. Before I get into any new meme coin, I have a normal practice that I go through. Before just throwing money in, the first thing I do, what does the website look like? If the website looks like shit, I just go on to the next one. Believe it or not, I base a coin off how the website looks. Don't judge a book by its cover, but judge a crypto by its website. So you go to the website. Does the website look like shit? It doesn't look the best, but it's not terrible, I guess. You know, it could be better. But the websites, you know, there's not like random text tossed everywhere and stuff like that. It looks okay. Doesn't look awesome. The next thing I do is I look at the Twitter. Are they active on their social media? because there's a thousands and thousands of Solana meme coins out now. What keeps people investing into your meme coin on Solana is engagement in the community. If you're not engaging with your community on Twitter, what does that mean? That means I'm not going to invest in your product. So if we look on here, the last time they actually they posted 4 hours ago, they posted 5 hours ago, they posted 8 hours ago, they posted 8 hours ago. So they're very, very, very active on their socials, which is a win. That checks the box right there. That is a good sign. So the website doesn't look the best, but I'll pass that up. The social media looks awesome. They're constantly posting, constantly engaging. The next thing I do after that is I hop in the Telegram. I'm not going to hop in the Telegram on the live stream because I'm going to pull up all my data, but I hop in the Telegram. I don't say anything in the Telegram. I sit there for maybe like 10, 15 minutes, you know, just kind of gauging the chat. Are people talking? What are they talking about? Is it dead silent? How does it look? So I normally, after that, I jump in the Telegram, see how it's looking. If that looks good, I check the top holders. How do the top holders look? We can check that by looking here. If there's holders that own over 10% of the supply, I'm not going to invest in it. Those holders will absolutely dump on you. The great part about this is it looks like one holder owns 2.3%, and other than that, it's 1.6, 1.5, 1.5. So there's no real big wallet. There's no real big wallet that owns the majority of the coins. So all these boxes actually check my thing. Does the website look good? It looks okay. It's passable. Are they engaging on their social media, such as Twitter? They are. They're actually engaging quite well on social media. Telegram, we didn't hop in the Telegram on the live stream, but that's the next thing I do. Hop in the Telegram. I act as a fly on the wall. How engaging is the Telegram? Is the Telegram active? And then I look at the holders. Are there certain wallets holding more than 5%? If there's holders holding more than 5%, I don't even touch it, man. But this is looking good. So social's active. Don't know Telegram. There's decent distribution of tokens between top wallets. So now if we actually look at the chart, so I kind of gave you guys a learning lesson there. Well, it's kind of just a rundown of what I do when I invest in meme coins. And then top to bottom right here, what we can currently see is we're above the 786. Take what I say with a grain of salt. It's a really new coin. It came out 2 days ago. TA does not work on new coins, but we can kind of gauge the general direction. So if we look at the MACD and then we look at the RSI, RSI is absolutely useless on this time frame, so we're gonna delete that. MACD is losing this bullish momentum. We actually just put in a lower high. So what we need to keep a close eye on for Monkey is the 786 here at around 1788. If we break below 1788, we're heading down to the 618 at 1389. The 618 absolutely needs to hold. Absolutely needs to hold. If we break below the 618, we're going all the way back down to the 236. I've been in the crypto space for a while. I've invested in new projects numerous times, and I never learned my effing lesson. What happens? You normally run up, you see a large retracement, and then you go up again, something like that. Hopefully that's not the case here, but the chart's already starting to roll over. So all I have to say for this, man, is good luck. Good luck. You really can't do T on it. The website looks okay. The socials look okay. The holders look okay. I didn't look at the Telegram. The chart looks like it's about to roll over. So hopefully you find support at the 618. So, I mean, that's the best I got for you right there. You can't really do TA on a coin that's been out for 2 days. Yo, we got BNG951. What's up, brother? Says MCRT. MCRT to the moon. Oh, you requested this. You requested this on a different live stream. I remember now. Magic Craft, because I never heard of it before. And I think we actually looked at the website too, right? Last time I looked at the website. Yeah, it's like a game, Magic Runner. Hunted by tragedy, triggered races against fate. the lone survivor of the Vladislav's Wrath. Yeah, it's available on Android, iOS, Windows, and Steam. Okay. Let's see what this is about. Yo, I've actually been looking for a game like this, dude. Magic. Okay, 002. You've piqued my interest, brother. You've piqued my interest. Magic at $11 million market. Oh, let's turn the music back on. $11 million market cap. We got 4 billion coins in circulation out of 10. All-time high was 2 years ago at 0.8. All-time low was 5 months ago. It's called MCRT. Oh boy. So MCRT. Oh shoot. We've had this drama before. Unfortunately, it looks like we're a little toppy here. I mean, if we draw, this is December 2023, right? Yeah. So if we draw a horizontal line here, this was our resistance back in December 2023, resistance January 2024. We wicked up to it in March of 2024, and then we wicked up to it on the 14th. So hopefully this isn't a top, but it's looking a little toppy, bro. We have our 1 top, 2 top, 3 top, drop top. Not saying we're gonna absolutely capitulate, but I would be keeping an eye on, I think we have a slight uptrend going here. No, we don't. We have to rely on fibs. Unfortunately, this does look a little toppy. It does look like a retracement's at play. I don't think the retracement's done yet. The MACD's losing its bullish momentum rather quickly. We have the RSI, which is retracing. We did have a sell signal today. So what we're gonna do is actually draw a fib from this high to this low and focus on the short-term fib areas. Now, the short-term fib areas for Magic Craft, the first one's the 786 at around 0026. We'll keep an eye on that. If we break below 0026, we're heading down to the 618 at around 0023. Whatever happens, we do not want to break below the 618. The 618 is so difficult to get back over, like so difficult. If we draw a horizontal line at that area and just look back, we can probably find a couple areas of resistance. Like for example, we got rejected off of right here. We got rejected off of right here. We got rejected off of right here. It was resistance right here trying to get over it. It was resistance right here. So that 618, man, we do not want to fall below 2.5 or 2.3, 2.4. We do not want to fall below 2.4. But in the meantime, for Magic, it does look like we are retracing. First support is 0026. And then if you break below that, it's the 618. We're technically not bearish yet. I know I'm making a bearish statement, but we're technically not bearish yet. We have our strong uptrend going for us right here. Our uptrend that's been in place since February. So that uptrend convergence area is this, yeah, it's the 618 convergence area. So, you know, even if we come down here and put in a low, that's a higher low. So we'll keep an eye on that. But regardless, I do think this coin is probably seeing a retracement of approximately, you know, 6 to 7% retracement until we hit some sort of support, and then we can bounce up from that point on. So we're not looking bad whatsoever for MCRT. I just think we're seeing a retracement. That's all. That is all, me friend. All right, all right. Yeah, so usually, you know, I make a couple of videos every single night, and those are off the people who send super chats on the comments. So whoever wants a coin charted throughout the week, if you send a super chat in the comments, I chart your coin normally within 24 hours, but I only have a certain slot to chart coins. So when I do live streams, the coin will be charted the day after. So if you requested a coin yesterday, the coin will be charted tomorrow. So I'll get your videos up tomorrow. But if you guys ever want a coin charted when we're not in the live stream, if you just send a super chat in the comment section on one of the videos, I'll get that coin charted for you guys. It's just a lot easier way. I swear I'm not money grabbing. It's just so many people request coins, dude. Believe it or not, being a YouTuber that charts crypto, there's so many people that request coin charting requests that it's only beneficial that the people who support the channel get the charts. You know what I'm saying? So if you ever want a coin charted outside of the live stream, if you just send a super chat in the comment section of one of my videos, you normally get your video out within 24 hours. Normally do. So just a little bit of a fun fact for you guys. So what's good? Blockchain Poodle says, did I miss Shib? Did he chart shit? I have not charted Shib. Humane Crypto, don't think so. Human Crypto, but hopefully the bottom is in. Did Shib have a large retracement or something? You think MCRC can hit all-time highs in the bull run? All-time high was 8 cents. Let me check that real quick before. Oh shoot, don't want to do that. MCRT. Well, let's see. Have they put more coins in circulation since last bull run top? They have. Now all-time high is 3 cents. High to the low. Yeah, I think we're gonna be hitting around 10 cents or higher this bull run. I wouldn't put 10 cents or higher this bull run. So yeah, I think we can break the all-time high pretty easy. Not pretty easy, but I think there's like a very good chance that we're to break the all-time high on MCRT this bull run. So Shib, this is what we had drawn. Retracing back down to the 0.5. This was drawn on the last live stream. Still currently playing out here, guys. Still currently playing out. Not financial advice. I don't think the bottom's in yet. MACD just flipped bearish 2 days ago, and we actually had a very large engulfing candle today on the bearish side. RSI was massively overbought here. Look at that red. That red's flashing saying, hey, it might be a good time to take some profit, dummy. Highest it has ever been on Coinbase. That's the highest that RSI has ever been on Coinbase. And then on top of that, we got a sell signal on the WTX off the charts. Like we literally went off the chart to 111. The highest I've ever seen a WTX go is 115. And this thing went up to 111. So it almost broke my all-time record. There's probably something that went higher, but I just haven't seen it yet. The highest I've ever seen is 115. And this went up to 110. So yeah, I don't think the Shib bottom's in yet. Not that it's bearish. It's just you guys went parabolic. If you've been watching the live stream, like this live stream, you know what I talked about. You know, you have the huge pump, retrace back down to the 50% area, then rally again. But unfortunately, this is Shib. You know, there's some big backers behind Shib. So there's two different areas of support that we want to focus on here. The first area supports the 0.5 here at 2305. So from where we're currently at for Shib, that's approximately another 20% drop that could be at play. Now, if we actually remove this and draw our fibs from this high to this low, we might find a little bit different support and resistance area. Similar situation, it's around 2.5. So I think the bottom for Shib's probably going to be around 2.5 here at the 618 before we see a reversal to the upside. Absolute worst case scenario is probably a hard candle to the 618 with a wick down to the 0.5 and then a reversal to the upside. So is the bottom in for Shib? I don't think the bottom's in for Shib. I think we still have another 20% to correct. I know that sounds disgusting, but welcome to crypto. 17% to correct. All indicators are overbought in the day chart. 4-hour time frame still bearish. 12-hour time frame still bearish. Day chart still bearish. So yeah, I'd say we're heading down to the 618 here at around 2.5. which in the long scheme of things, when in doubt, zoom out. That's actually still maintains the bullish momentum. But in the short term, we're bearish. Keep an eye on that 2.5. All right, all right. But what coins am I most bullish on this bull run? Well, I'll give you guys a little secret. 2 coins that I think are going to go absolutely parabolic this bull run that I'm actually invested in, that I'm holding this entire cycle. I'm not selling a single dime of these coins this entire cycle. There's 3 coins that I have in my portfolio that I'm not selling a single dime of this portfolio or this bull run until the top. Well, obviously you'll sell it eventually, but I'm not going to sell it till the top. The first big one is Baby Bonk. We went over that. We're talking about meme coins here because obviously no one here cares about BTC. No one here is getting rich off BTC. If you're getting rich off BTC, why are you in my live stream? Like, seriously, you're a multi-millionaire. You can't get rich off investing in BTC unless you put in a bunch of money. Believe it or not, I guarantee 99.99999% of the people in here are invested in altcoins and hoping to get rich. And there's probably a big chunk of you who are invested in meme coins. It's probably a big chunk of you who are invested in meme coins. And meme coins is where the money, believe it or not, meme coins are where the money's made. The scary part is meme coins are the most riskiest plays. You make the most money off meme coins, but there's rug pulls, there's landmines, there's this, there's that, there's the other thing in meme coin land, right? It's scary. It's scary. I get it. I have 3 coins that I'm invested in that I think are going to actually, I'm sounding like I'm shilling right now, but I'm really not. I have 3 coins that I'm actually invested in my portfolio that I think are going to do really well. First one, Baby Bonk. I think Baby Bonk could easily hit a $500 million market cap. They're on Crypto Banters today. They're sponsoring Crypto Banters tomorrow. They're doing a Lamborghini giveaway. You don't do that if you're just a basic meme coin. You don't do that. And on top of that, it's Baby Bonk. If you look at Baby Doge last bull run went to a $2.5 billion market cap. And that's because the normal Doge went absolutely insane. Now, Doge is kind of in the background now, and Bonk is kind of the big meme coin of this bull run. Yes, there's FLOKI that's running right now, but Bonk is like the top. It hoards the food. Bonk eats the majority of the food. So having a baby coin behind that is huge. So I think Baby Bonk can go to a $500 million market cap. Plus, my next pick is Baby Pepe. Like this one, listen up, guys, listen up. This one is actually still early. Again, it's only a $2.9 million market cap. They have the same marketer, it's pretty much Baby Bonk copy paste. I'm not saying copy paste as in, like rip it off or anything like that. They have the same marketing agency. They have the same market makers. They have the same absolutely everything. In my mind, like, I'm still trying to figure out if they're connected because everything that they do are very similar to one another. So I'm wondering if the same devs that have Baby Bonk are the same devs for Baby Pepe. And watch this. This is going to blow your mind right here. And why I think that on top of that is, look at Baby Pepe. You see up here, Baby Pepe, the people. Look at that typeface. You see how that looks? Baby Pepe, it's all scrinkly. And then you look at Baby Bonk. Look at this, Baby Bonk. Exactly the same, bro. Exactly the same. So they have the same market maker. They have the same marketing firm, the same people who are marketing. Like I'm in both their telegrams, right? So I hear this daily. The same people are marketing them. They're the same market group. Just a lot of the same stuff. So I think they're very closely tied together. So I think this thing could easily run too. The crazy part of this has only been out for 17 days. And then Baby Bonk has been out for like 2 months, 3 months now. So obviously Baby Pepe is not going to be at the same level as Baby Bonk because it's only been out for 17 days. Eventually we will reach these levels on Baby Pepe. So not financial advice. If you're looking for a better ROI in the two, I think Baby Pepe is the play. I honestly think Baby Pepe is the play. Now, if you want super degen, this is my super degen play. Pretty much an anti-rug coin right here. So this coin right here, on every single buy or every single sell that a person does, if you're in this coin, you get reflected 5% of that in BNB. I've earned well over $100 just holding this coin. So if you buy this coin, every time somebody sells, you get reflected BNB. Every time somebody buys, you get reflected BNB. It just shows up in your wallet. It's pretty much an anti-rug coin. So even though this retraced like this, I made a lot of money. I made money. It just shows up as BNB in your wallet. And if we look at their website, dude, your ticket to the fucking moon, right? So it's interesting to ever earn the turbocharged token that's more than just a coin. It's a literal ticket to the moon, strapping and huge on the built-in reflection mechanism, ensuring every holder gets a slice of the action on every transaction. I get free BNB deposited every day in my wallet just for holding. I can verify that because I hold this. Yes, there's a 10% tax, but look what the 10% tax goes to. 5% goes to reflection. So if you get in and you pay your 10% tax, you pay your dues, everyone that gets in after you, you get a slice of the pie. That the 10% tax, you get some of that reflection. I've never seen this before. 3% goes into the LP. Like, who would put money into the LP? They get nothing out of it. What you get off the LP is for the holders. The LP grows with the sells. Normally when you sell, it takes away from the LP, right? Liquidity pool. What is the LP for new investors? Right here, liquidity. You have liquidity right here. That's how much is able to be bought and sold out of the coin, right? So even when you have these large sells, what's happening? They're obviously taking some money from the liquidity, but they're putting 3% back into it. So yeah, you can try to take some liquidity from them, but guess what? The contract takes it right back, takes 3% back. So it takes, every time somebody sells, say a whale sells, it takes 10%, and 5 of that goes back to the diamond hand holders, 3% goes back to the liquidity. And the crazy part is the devs aren't even cheap, or the devs aren't like ripping you guys off. Only 1% is going to the dev, 1% is going to marketing, and 1% is going to development. So pretty much an anti-rug coin. It's not anti-ruggable, but every buy, every sell, you get free BNB deposited inside your wallet. It's pretty crazy. So how do you buy this coin? If you actually go to their website, which is everearn.org/moon, I will put it in the chat. And then if you click this, all you have to do is click buy EverEarn. Takes you to the DEX tools. All you need is BNB on your MetaMask or Trust wallet. Click right here, connect your wallet, swap your BNB for EverEarn. You're good to go. And then just hold. All you do is hold, and BNB's deposited in your wallet every single day. Not even kidding, guys. All you do is buy and hold, and you get free BNB in your wallet. I've never seen anything like it before. Kind of crazy. Kind of crazy, but... All right, guys, with that, I think I am going to end the live stream. I appreciate everybody coming out tonight. I will be hosting another live stream tomorrow around the same time, around, I would say 7:45, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We will be doing another live stream tomorrow. I appreciate everybody tuning in, everybody hitting that like button, everybody sending super chats. Thank you for supporting my channel. Remember, if you want a coin charted outside of the live stream, all you have to do is send me a super chat in the comments, and I'll get to your coin within 24 hours. Also, I have a Discord. Yes, I'll admit it. I have a Discord. I'm on there every single day. So if you want to chat with me, just normal chat, join the Discord, dude. It's a great group of people. The link is below in the description. All we do is talk crypto. I drop my gems in there before I talk about it on the live stream. For example, Baby Pepe, we found the day that it launched. Baby Pepe, I posted it in my Discord when it launched at $100,000 market cap. We found this thing at $100,000 market cap. We got in 5 minutes after it launched. So a lot of people in my Discord community got in this at 100K market cap, believe it or not. So when we find gems, we share them there. So join the Discord. The link is below in the description. So with that, guys, I appreciate everybody tuning in, everybody supporting the channel, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow on the live stream of Trading Crypto. I hope you guys have a great night. Thank you again.